Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of 20 plants in English. First one is basil plant. Next is oregano plant. Next plant is chive plant. Next is fern. Next plant in our list is cactus. Next is tulip plant. Next plant is poppy. Next plant is parsley plant. Next is rosemary. Next is sage plant. Next is geranium plant. Next is tomatoes plant. Next is sunflower plant. Next is lilac plant. Next is gardenia plant. Next, agave plant. Next, tecoma. Next is ixora plant. Next is orchid or orchid plant. Last one, and on number 20 we have thyme.